Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most essential secrets of professional tailoring. We're taking a basic sleeve and transforming it into a sophisticated two-piece jacket sleeve. This technique is the key to achieving that high-end, structured look for your coats and blazers. It's easier than you think, so let's get started and level up your pattern making skills. To find the elbow line, you can simply divide the side seam length by 2. Alternatively, for a more personalized fit, measure the distance from the shoulder to the elbow directly on the arm and then mark that measurement on your pattern. Now, we need to redraw the side seam. Ensure that the line is perfectly squared from all 4 sides to maintain the correct balance and alignment of your pattern. To make this tutorial easier for you to follow, I'm going to label these key points with English letters. This will help you identify each step clearly as we progress through the pattern drafting process. Next, I'll divide the distance between points F and G into 4 equal parts. From the side seam, I will measure and mark exactly 1/4 of that distance on the pattern. First, I'll measure the cuff width on the pattern and subtract my actual wrist measurement to find the difference. For me, this difference is 8 centimeters. Now, I will mark this amount equally on both sides of point D and then taper it to 0 at the elbow line. At this stage, we need to shape these lines into curves. You can use a curved ruler or simply draw them by hand as I am doing. I'm doing this manually to show you that even without specialized tools, you can still achieve a professional silhouette. Don't worry, with a little practice, your freehand curves will look just as perfect. I'm using red and green colors to draw these lines so you can clearly see the distinction between the pieces. Finally, I will cut along the center line and add the 1 centimeter that we've designated as extra space to both sides of the pattern. Let's not leave these lines too straight. We want to give them a bit of a nice shape. Adding a slight contour makes the sleeve look so much more natural and elegant when worn. It's these little details that really elevate your work from basic to professional. Now, let's move on to drafting the front section of our sleeve pattern. This is the part we'll be adding right here to create that perfect, classic jacket sleeve shape. Now, on the elbow line, I'll mark 1.5 centimeter on each side of this line and draw a smooth curve. Next, we'll cut this section out and attach it to the side of the back piece. This way, the front and back side seams are joined together to perfectly form our jacket sleeve. Now, I'll place a piece of paper underneath the pattern and add 1 centimeter to both sides. Then, I'll draw a smooth, soft curve to ensure the lines look natural and perfectly blended. To ensure the sleeve has a superior fit, doesn't pull upwards, and hangs perfectly, we are going to add 2 centimeter only to the back sections of the pattern. This is the secret to the sleeve's elegance, a professional tip that many tailoring instructors won't tell you, but it's the key to a high-end finish. Now, let's design the sleeve vent. The great thing is that you have options. You can omit this part entirely, so the buttons on just for decoration, or create functional buttonholes that actually open and close. Regardless of which style you choose, this sleeve design is so beautiful that it will look stunning in the end. To design the sleeve vent, measure 10 to 12 cm up from the cuff edge on the back pattern and set the width between 3 to 4 cm. Repeat this process for both sleeve pieces. Make sure to double-check your lines afterward to ensure the measurements are perfectly consistent and symmetrical. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on drafting this elegant jacket sleeve and that these professional tips prove helpful in your projects. Remember, the quality of your work lies in these small details. Lastly, I have a small favor. If you find these tutorials valuable, I'd be so grateful if you'd support me by joining our membership program. Your support helps this channel grow and encourages me to keep sharing my expertise. Also, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. May your holiday season be filled with joy and wonderful sewing projects. Thank you for being part of this community, and stay tuned for more.